there is some breaking news that's coming in. Now, this input is in connection with the Valmiki Development Corporation scam and in connection with the ED crackdown on the ex-Karnataka Minister B. Nagendra was arrested by the central agency, remember. Nagendra has now been brought to the ED office. That is the latest that we're learning in connection with the case. Remember, he was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Valmiki Development Corporation scam. Now, in the latest, he was taken for a medical checkup and was then produced in front of a judge. Now he has also been brought to the ED office. We're crossing over to my colleague Neha to bring us more on this. Neha, you were actually at the ED office when we just spoke a few minutes ago. We're learning that Nagendra has been brought to the ED office now.
Well, Asha, that's right. Earlier as well, we had mentioned that the former minister, Congress leader B. Nagendra would be brought to the ED's office over here, given the fact that he was arrested by them last night. He's now been sent to the custody of the Enforcement Directorate as well. What remains to be seen right now from the ED is what they're able to really source from him. Even as we're outside the office over here, bringing our viewers all of the latest updates of the inside investigation. Minister Nagendra there, of course, when he was questioned about what his involvement is and why he's been arrested, said that, he has absolutely no role in any of this. Of course, remember, we've already seen the manner in which the state and the centre have locked horns over here over this entire issue, of course, with the Chief Minister and the Deputy also over there going on to, really ask what the need for the ED raids were. There was an SIT that was formed from the state government. There was, in fact, investigation also that was going on, parallelly. But we're seeing that, all in a span of 24 hours now, we've seen raids being conducted and the former minister and the Congress leader, they're being arrested.